Hello student, I am Subodh Kumar Datta. Today I am teaching you general knowledge. Now student, chapter number 23, an act of kindness. A poor hungry boy reached a house and asked for a glass of water. The boy slowly drank the milk and finished it. Many years later, the same woman fell ill and was hospitalized. A doctor named Howard Kelly was examining her. After a few days, when the woman was cured, she was handed over the bill along with a term. The doctor, who was actually the young boy whom she fed milk, had already paid the bill. So, student, this is a kind of kindness. This is an act of kindness. Now, the some questions are here. Some pictures are given A, B, C, D, E, in which we have to tick it which is kindness. So, the first figure A is holding a boy up by a girl. So this is called kindness. So this is right. Then after B, a boy give the water to a puppy. This is kindness. So this is right. C is not a kindness because one boy is pushed the other boy. Now D, this is the kindness that some of the children are standing and one person giving something. So this is kindness. And C is kindness because E is kindness because a woman taking something to the girls and give her. So this is right. Now some question answer is here. The situation. Write an act of kindness you can do in the following situation. A small boy cannot find his way back to home. Then its answer will, I will help him to find his way back home. Question number B. Your classmate has forgotten to bring his notebook. So its answer will happen, I will lend my textbook to him. Question number C. Your mother is not feeling well. Its answer will happen, I will take her to the hospital. And the final D. A bag of vegetable has fallen from the hand of your neighbor by mistake. So what we have to do? The answer is, I will pick up the bag of vegetable and hand it over to her. So these all kind of thing is kindness. Now chapter number 24. Steve Jobs is best known as co-founder of Apple Inc. and CEO of Pixar Animation Studies. He truly revolutionized personal computers. He was the pioneer of the world known brand Apple. He was named as most powerful person in business by Fortune magazine in 2007. He remained a global icon until his death in 2011. Now, here is some questions. Number 1. A. Steve Jobs was the co-founder of number 1 option Apple Inc. Question number B. Which magazine named him in the most powerful person in business? That is number 2 Fortune. A. Then after question number C. Steve Jobs revolutionized. Its answer is C. Answer 3 personal computers. Now, next personality is Abdul Kalam, popular known as People's President. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. He was a scientist. He contributed immensely in the development of missile. Due to this reason, he is known as Missile Man of India. He joined ISRO and was involved in India's civilian places program. He was the recipient of several prestigious awards, include Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honors. Now the question is, tick the correct option. Number A. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was dash President of India. The answer is 1, that is 11th. Number B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a scientist. This is third option. C. Question. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was also known as, option number 2 is right, that is Missile Man of India. Now, chapter number 25. This chapter consists of cups and trophies. Given below are some of the important international cups and trophies with their associated sports. Write the name of the sports against each. Here is number 1. American Cups is associated by yacht racing. Number 2. Australian Open Cup is associated by tennis. Number 3. New West Series is associated with cricket. Number 4. The Ashes is associated with cricket. Number 5. Walker Club This topic is associated by golf. Number 6. Our cup is associated by badminton. Number 7. French Open Cup is associated by tennis. And the final, number 8. UEFA European Championship Cup is associated by football. Now, chapter number 26. Specialist doctors. For different kinds of sickness, we need to consult different doctors. The doctor who is specialist in treating a special kind of illness is a specialist known by a special name. Let's find out some of them and fill in the blanks with the correct option. First number, Manu had a fracture, so he went to a or an orthopedist. This is the right option. Question number 2. My grandfather is suffering from a heart problem. Every week he visits a cardiologist because cardiologists treat the heart patient. Question number 3. Granny had a toothache. She gave the dentist a phone call because dentist treats the illness of tooth. Question number 4. Sunny's sister has developed skin allergy. She has taken an appointment from a dermatologist. This doctor treats the skin problem. Number 5. The little baby is not well. Mama will take her to a or an, that is pediatrician. Pediatrician treats small child. Number 6. If I have some problem in the car, ear, nose or throat, I will go to an ENT specialist because this doctor treats the illness of ear, nose or throat. Number 7. If I have a stomach ache, I might consult a or an. It is given. The answer is gastroenterologist. First option, gastroenterologist. And number 8. If Andy requires to take an X-ray of his broken leg, he needs to a radiologist because radiologists take X-rays of our broken bone. Now chapter number 27. Toon time. Everyone loves cartoon movies. Let us know about some of the hit movies of our time. The main characters of this movie are described in brief. Write their names taking help from the clue box. So the first is an 11 years old girl moves from Minnesota to San Francisco. Five personifications of her basic emotions gradually comes to life and influence her action. The name of that person is Riley Anderson. Second is a courageous princess set out on a journey to find her alienate sister whose powers mistakenly traps their kingdoms in eternal winter. The answer is Annie. Next is he is a large monster at Monstropolis, which is powered by energy from the screams of human children. He has been the best scare at Montreux Inc. The name of this is Shirley. Number 4 is next is a cowboy doll is one of the toys presented by Andy. He is Andy's favorite toy. He acts as the leader of all the boy. The answer is Woody. Number 5. A girl who was stolen from her parents' palace at baby in captured in a tower by Mother Gothel. The girl has around 70 feet of magical golden hair. The name of that person is Manny. Now, chapter number 28, Idioms and Proverbs. Idioms are groups of words that have a special meaning, and proverbs are traditional saying that offered advice. Given below are funny pictorial description of some famous idioms and proverbs. Identify the following this saying. Number 1 is feeling blue. Number 2, money does not grow on trees. Number 3, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Number 4 is it's raining cats and dogs. Number 5, heart in your mouth. And 6, don't cry over spit. Next is chapter number 29, Mind Booster. This Mind Booster, we have to push up our mind to find the answer. So, the first question is identify the similar figure in the given option. So, the first question's answer is number B. Next is number 2, pick the shape that fits the given object. Its answer will happen B number. If the mathematical sign are changed as directed when solve questions that follow. Number 3, If x becomes minus and plus becomes into, then 48 into 3 plus 4 is equal to is C. Answer is option C, 64. Question number 4. If plus and minus are interchanged, then 48 plus 24 minus 36 minus 48 plus 25 is equals to option number C, 83. Next question is, find the odd one and encircle 8. Number 5 is odd is B. This figure is odd. Then after question number 6. Question number 6. The odd one is C. This figure is odd among the all figure. Now question number 7. So answer is option C. Now which of the given option completes the figure? Encircle your answer. Now question number 8 is this. The answer is B. Question number 9. The answer is A. Complete the series by choosing the next option in the series. Encircle your answer. Question number 10. The answer is C. And question number 11. The answer is B. Now chapter number 30. World famous food. Given below here some of the world famous food items. Read the clues and carefully and write the name of each of the items here. The number 1 is a type of pancake stuffed with lightly cooked filling of potato. It is that is as a South Indian food. It is served hot with sambar and chutney. The answer is masala dosa. Life. Number 2. Light Witsits ball made from grains of maize that are heated until they are popped. The answer is popcorn. Number 3. An Italian dish consists of a flat round bread based with cheese, tomatoes, salads, mashed etc. on top. The answer is pizza. Number 4. As one of the most popular staples dish, it is made from unleavened dough. It has prominent place in Chinese and Italians cooking. The answer is noodles. Number 5. The Japanese dish of a small cake of cold cookies rice served with picked ginger, raw fish etc. on top. This answer is sushi. Number 6. A hard brown sweet food made from cocoa beans. It originated in Mexico. The answer is chocolate. Now chapter number 31. World of trees. Trees are the lifeline of our environment. They provide us with medicines, furnitures, wood for paper, and the most important things, oxygen. Now read the description and name these world famous trees. Number 1. The most unique trees about these trees is that it stand along in a barren area of Arabian's desert in Bahrain. Also, it is a famous tourist attraction. The name of this tree is Tree of Life. Next, number 2. This tree is known as have the largest and the shortest trunk. It is now declared UNESCO World Heritage Site and is located in the Mexico state of Oaxaca. The name of this tree is Abodul Tull. Number 3. It is an oak tree situated in Alovilla, Bolivia forest, France. This tree consists of two chapel in its hollow trunk. It provides access to the chapel through spiral staircase. The name of this tree is Kent Chapel. Number 4. This tree is located in Howrah near Kolkata in India and is over 250 years old. It is the widest known tree in the country. From a distance, this tree seems like a forest than an individual tree. The name of this tree is the Great Banyan. Now, the chapter number 32. This chapter belongs to sports term. The different terms are used in different games. One of the terms given below each sport is odd. We have to cross the odd one. The number 1 is odd is checkmate. Checkmate. Number 2 is odd bold. Number 3 is no ball. Number 4 is snatch. Number 5 is LBW. Number 6 is goal. Number 7 is fault. Number 8's answer is bull's eye. Number 9's answer is handball. Now student, I have completed up to the chapter 23 to 32. I hope that all you have understood clear by watching my video. Then I just close this video. Thank you.